Here's a quick tutorial on how to log into your WordPress website. At the end of the domain name, type in /wp-admin. Here you'll have a login screen where you can add your username and password that was provided. Click on Login. You'll be presented with a WordPress dashboard. And then over here under Users, click on All Users. And I'm going to change my password. So I simply hit Edit. And from here, I'll scroll down to where it says Generate Password. A generated password is recommended because it's strong. However, you can choose to change it here. So the purposes of this video, we'll do Big 10 Web Design Rocks. You'll notice it gets a medium, and you can still change it by simply hitting Update Profile here. And that's it.